How to change DNS settings on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device, then click on Wi-Fi and Network. After you click on Wi-Fi and Network, simply select your network that you're connected to. You'll find Settings like option. After that, click on pencil-like option on top right, and then click on Advanced Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In IP settings, make sure you choose static. After that, you'll find DNS settings. Simply from here, you can change your DNS settings on Android. After adding your DNS settings, simply click on Save and you're good to go. This is how to change DNS settings on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.